Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Today's I am showing you 2024 question paper, board question paper along with answer key. So now this is the third video of this related to this paper, and here I am going to discuss Chaturtha Vibhaga, that is Lekhan Kaushalam, and which is of 9 marks. So are you ready? Now see the question, what questions came in that paper. Question came, that is dhatu naam, first part, fourth number. Dhatu naam अव्ययानां च विशिष्ट विभक्तेः उपयोगं कृत्वा वाक्य निर्माणं कुरुत and say षड्तः चतु. So any four out of six you had right, and this is it was of 4 marks. So it is completely based on uppadi vibhakti. The first one was ka raksha, one papa, that govern panchami vibhakti, who is the person who seeks protection from someone, that person will be in Panchami. Spruha, Spruha 10 Upa Ubhaypadi, and it govern, it takes Chaturthi Vibhakti. The thing which is liked should be in Chaturthi. Gam Gacha, that is one papa, it governs Ditiya Vibhakti. Alam, it governs Tritiya Vibhakti, and Namah govern Chaturthi Vibhakti, and Upari govern Shashti Vibhakti. So now see the sentences, what will the answers? The sentence should be like this way, आपको आंसर ऐसे लिखना है और यही एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है और ऐसे ही लिखना है, अंडरलाइन करना है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज रक्ष. Here I have made the sentence. I am not telling you to write the same sentence, but either you learn, you should be able to write your own sentence or learn the sentences and do writing practice. So the first sentence is Ramah Bhaktan Asurat Rakshate. So Rama Bhaktan Asurat Rakshate, that the Ram protects devotees from demons. So that is Asurat is in Panchami Vibhakti. Second one, Spruha, Balaka Kridanakaya, Kridanakaya Spruhayati. A boy likes, a boy wishes for, or wants, that Kridanakam means toy. Then Gam Gacha, Sah Vidyalayam Gachatu, that is lot lakar I have used. You can write any tense, but यहाँ पे मैंने lot lakar use किया है. And C, Ditiya Vibhakti. Then alam bhojanena, that is in tritiya vibhakti because of alam. Then krishnaya namah, namah gavan chaturthi, so krishnaya मैंने underline किया है. And similarly vrukshasya upari khagaha santi, so that is in षष्ठी vibhakti because upari govern षष्ठी. So आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए और underline करना है. So this is the first question. So either attempt this one for 4 marks, or अथवा means or Sanskritanuvadam Kruta, that means translate in English, translate in Sanskrit of these sentences. So तीनों sentence दिया है. First one is in Marathi, same meaning is in Hindi, and same meaning also translated in Sanskrit. तो आपको जो भी easy लगता है, but finally आपको translate संस्कृत में ही करना है. So now see the translation of this. First one is Shikshak, the teacher writes on the board with the chalk. So Shikshika, I have taken here feminine word. Either you can write Shikshaka also, but Shikshika Sudha Khandena Shyama Patte Likhade. So this is the correct translation. Second one, students should study every day. So Chhatraha Pratidinam Patheyuhu. So that is in Vidling Lakar, क्योंकि should का प्रयोग किया है. Then third one, I smell the flowers. So it's a translation is Aham Pushpanam Gandham Jigrami. Aham Pushpanam Gandham Jigrami. Fourth one is you go to the railway station. You go to the railway station, and its a transition is Tom rail sthanakam gacha, because go to the railway that indicate lot laka, so मैंने गच्छ लिया है. Fifth number is oh child bring the sweater, and its a translation is hey bala swedakam anaya, that is lot laka. And the last one is there are 10 books in the box, and its a transition will be Manjushayam das pustakani santi. Das pustakani santi. So these are the translation English to Sanskrit, or you can say Marathi or Hindi to Sanskrit. So either attempt Upadvibhakti or translation. Now next question, question number 2 of fourth part, and here is instruction given. पंच सप्त वाक्यात्मकम निबंधम लिखता, राइट ऐसे of 5 to 7 lines, in 5 to 7 lines. And again instruction is given tritah ekam. So that means 1 out of 3 and it is of 5 marks. So the topic were Mama Priya Khagaha, Mam Priya Utsava and Bhartiyam Prasiddham Sthalam. And the answer I have written just according to me, Mama Priya Khaga Shuka I have taken here, and my you can see the essay here. Shukah Mama Priya Vinitah Khaga Aham Tam Mittu iti ah, Ahvayami. Uh, that is. So अहम तं मिट्ठु इति आह्वयामि सः लघु खगः अस्ति सः रुचिर्हरितवर्णः तस्य चञ्चुः कुटिला रक्तवर्णा च because चञ्चु is feminine तस्य ग्रीवां परितः कृष्णः वलयः अस्ति that is round there is परितः कृष्णः वलय means round shape that is अस्ति of black color तस्य पक्षयोः लोहितानि चिह्नानि विद्यन्ते Aham Mittu Namakam me Kiram Panjare Rakshami. I say, I keep my Mittu Miss Parrot named Mittu in the cage. Aham Tasme Harita Marichani Peru Falani cha Yachami. Yada Aham Sita Rama iti Vadami Tada Saha Api Tad Vadati. Saha Mam Atithin सत्करोति मह्यम एषा किंकरातः रोचते सह मम सखा एव सो दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट टॉपिक सो आपको एक ही लिखना है बट मैंने आपको तीनों का यहाँ पे आंसर दिया है and the second topic was Mampriya Utsava, and the Mampriya Utsava I have taken here. Vakratunda Mahaka I have started with the slokas, and about Ganesh festival I have written. So Vakratunda Mahakaya Surikoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. And then it is Bhartiyaha Utsava Priyaha Utsava Mahyam Api Rochate Mam Priya Utsava Ganeshotsava गणेशोत्सवः धार्मिकः उत्सवः अस्ति भाद्रपदमासस्य चतुर्थे दिवसे गणेशचतुर्थी प्रारभते अस्मिन् दिने जनाः गृहे गणेशमूर्तेः स्थापनां कुर्वन्ति एषः उत्सवः कुत्रचित् सार्धैकदिनात्मकः कुत्रचित् पञ्च सप्त दशदिनात्मकः वा भवति एषः उत्सवः कुत्रचित् मासपर्यन्तम् अपि प्रचलति भक्ताः मिष्टैः पुष्पैः दुर्वाङ्कुरैः मोदकैः च गणेशं पूजयन्ति अनन्तरं जलाशये गणेशमूर्तेः विसर्जनं कुर्वन्ति लोकमान्य तिलक महोदयः सम्पूर्णभारतदेशे सार्वजनिकं गणेशोत्सवम् आरब्धवान् सार्वजनिक गणेशोत्सवेन सामाजिक एकता वर्धते नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यो नमो नमः that is from Veda I have taken this so this is second number and the last third topic is Bhartiyam Prasiddha Sthalam so Bhartiyam Prasiddha Sthalam and here um, it's a ऐसे इस निबंध इस गत वर्षे अहं मम कुटुम्बैः सह कन्याकुमारी स्थितं विवेकानन्दस्मारकं दृष्टवान् रामेश्वरदर्शनं कृत्वा वयं सर्वे नौकया विवेकानन्दशिलायां विराजमानं भव्यस्मारकं द्रष्टुम् उत्सुकाः आस्म अस्यां शिलायाम् उपविश्य विवेकानन्दमहोदयेन ध्यानधारणा कृता तेषां जन्मशताब्दीवर्षे तेषां सम्मानार्थम् एतत् स्मारकं निर्मितं नैके भारतीयाः तत्र गत्वा मातृभूमेः सेवार्थं प्रेरणां लभन्ते इत्यत्र न संशयः विवेकानन्दस्य प्रतिमा ध्यानमण्डपः सभामण्डपः इत्यादयः स्मारकस्य विभागाः प्रेक्षणीयाः सत्यमेव एतद् आधुनिकं तीर्थक्षेत्रं यत्र देशसेवायाः प्रेरणा लभ्यते सर्वैः सो दिस इज द essay these are the essays now come to अथवा सहायक शब्दानाम् आधारेण पञ्चसप्त वाक्यात्मकं चित्रवर्णनं कृत्वा describe the picture which is given here and the options you can see here uh, मेघई पर्वते मीन्स ये फार्मर का चित्र है फार्म का एक्चुअली यू कैन से विलेज का या फार्म का सो आई हैव रिटन सेंटेंस लाइक दिस वे यू कैन सी इदम क्षेत्रस्य चित्रम अस्ति क्षेत्रे विविधानि कार्याणि प्रचलन्ति यू कैन सी डिफरेंट वर्क्स आर गोइंग ऑन सो एक कृषक धान्यं सम्मार्जयते दैट इज दिस यू कैन सी सम्मार्जयते एका महिला शिरसि भारं वहति यू कैन सी दिस लेडी इज कैरिंग load on her head. Then दो वृषभो क्षेत्रम कर्षत these two bullocks क्षेत्रे धान्य राशि धान्यस्य स्यूतः धान्यस्य स्यूतः च वर्तेते दो बालो क्रीडने मग्नो that is you can see girl and boy so दो बालो I have made simple word and ekah purusha marjanya dhanyani ekatri karoti. So here you can see the man. So I have written here 8 sentences. And last one, Samipe Parvataha api drishyante. So mountains are also seen nearby. So मैंने 9 sentences लिया, but here require only 5 to 7 sentences. सो आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए अगर आपके पास में टाइमिंग है, तो आपके पास में टाइम है तो डेफिनेटली आप नीटली लिखो, क्लियरली लिखो एंड ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. So thank you watching this video. It was fourth part, and it was the third video related to 24 uh, March paper, board Sanskrit paper, along with scoring key. In the next video, I'll discuss about fifth part, and two more videos will come. That there will be fifth part and sixth part. So keep on watching and do writing practice.